Guys, we have lots of questions how to paint wall without brush and roller, and when you have a cornice or skirting board. We're going to mask everything 100% properly using Unipro 550mm pull down drop sheet. It comes already with a masking tape. Also we're going to use equip tape, ProX17. It comes with a 15mm hose 515 tip. And yeah, it's gonna be brand new. We're gonna show you how easy to paint without getting brush and roller out. I'll get Harriet to open it. Continue on painting. And that's the ProX17. It's pretty light. Just unpack ProX17 Magnum Airless sprayer. It comes with a 15mm hose, 515 tip, as you can see it here. Handy connector. It connects to suction hose. When you finish, you just connect to your garden hose for easy cleaning. Once you've done cleaning, also it comes in a package. It has a pump armor. That's a special solution. Once you clean with the water, you need to put into the system for a storage and freezer protection for airless pump. That's very handy. And also big benefit of the ProX17, you can easily, if something happened in the future with the pump, you can easily exchange it by just open the cover, taking the mechanism out. That's the pump. You just screw one in and pull the whole mechanism in. That's it. Done. So it's just 1 second to change. Now we're going to connect the hose. That's it. That's your pressure control. Very simple to use. And we are ready for the spraying. We put in suction hose into the paint like this. Now we need to put our spray into the shining mode. Okay. Now, as you can see, everything goes to the hose. That's it, it's ready to go. Nice and simple. Okay, now, as we mentioned, we're going to masking skirting and, sorry, not skirting, actual cornice and skirting on the bottom. And we need to do really precisely. So what we're doing now, we're doing really straight line with the masking tape on the bottom. Really, it should be really precise. Okay guys, now you can see straight line. So now our cornice is protected 100%.
So we've protected the cornice and the skirting board with the Unipro plastic drop down. We've just done a tight line up to the cornice and then masked it up to the ceiling, so even if you do go a little bit higher, there won't be much overspray hitting your ceiling. And then we've done the same down here. Again, a nice straight line. Just run your finger across so there's no air bubbles, and then just tuck it under the drop sheet. And then you're ready to spray the wall. You don't have to worry about damaging anything, getting overspray anywhere. We're going to use the ProX17 and then we're just going to spray out low sheen.
Okay guys, now it's ready for spray. ProX17 with the 515 tip, without any extension. We already tested on this cupboard. Fan is beautiful, pressure is very good. Don't forget to use respirator mask because it's the airless sprayer, you need it. Cap, overall, coverall. Yeah, it's very handy. Standard lotion, and yeah, let's go. I'll probably teach some, when you spray, you keep around 25 centimeters from the wall and try to keep the same distance when you go up and down.
It sound right, boy.
Now we've just sprayed the wall. it's a bit wet, of course. When you spray, make sure that furniture, like we have the sprayer, you have a bit of an overspray, just a little bit like a dust, fine dust. Make sure when you do, you protect your piano, sofas, everything with the plastic. Harriet now will demonstrate how to take it, and the line should be perfectly straight.
Make sure you do it slow so you're not pulling any paint off. Just do it nice and slow.
You can wait a little bit more until it's a little bit drier, but yeah.
Perfect straight line on the skirting board. Easy.
That's great. Same we're going to do on the ceiling, yeah.
Maybe just take the ones from the ceiling again, really slow, just so you're not pulling any old paint off. Be careful of the wall if it's still wet. Just hold plastic, and again, just do it nice and slow.
I don't see a line, but it should be very, very good.
Straight as promised.
And yeah, it's good to take it when it's a little bit wet. When it gets drier, you can feel the coating. So this is very important. We can see plastic, it was a little bit ripped. So we can have, or yeah, we just got some spray in, but have a look at the rest. It's perfect. Okay guys, now we finish this exercise and come back to main question. How to spray the wall without getting paint into the skirt and cornice. So we've masked skirts and masked cornice, we've sprayed it. This is a 515 tip, ProX17. We've done one coat just for the exercise, but yeah, the whole point is just to make the straight line on the top and on the bottom.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, Harriet, yeah, what do you want to add? Something?
Yeah, just make sure you get them tight lines and then you're not getting any overspray and anything. Keeps them nice and clean, and then it obviously looks good for you as well. Looks like you've cut in a straight line.
Thank you everyone.
Cheers.